Forrest Gump when Bubba talks about shrimp and all the ways you can have it. That's kind of how I feel about poke. I mean, you know, you're talking about the cut-up fish that's seasoned so many different ways. I mean, you can have taco poke, that's octopus, ahi poke, shrimp poke. I mean, the list just goes on and on. And it's not just about the variations, it's about the freshness. That's why I'm here at Kaneohe, about 11 miles from Honolulu. This is Fresh Catch.
Fireball ahi. Spicy salmon.
Drive all the way from the other side of the island just to come here.
He eats her about 7 days a week.
We got an ahi katsu.
This is Dom Raiola, plays for the Detroit Lions. Over premium steakhouses across the country, this is your go-to.
This is what I was raised on.
It's purely Hawaiian.
As Hawaiian as Reno Enriquez.
One smoking Hawaiian plate.
An East Side native whose love for the poke trumped the family business.
They're probably the biggest rubbish company in Hawaii.
Rubbish?
Pick up rubbish. You don't
Trash.
know? Yeah, trash man.
Trading rubbish for fresh fish? Not a bad deal.
I love to make people happy and watch the smile on everybody's faces while they eat my food.
There's smiles all around for the 30 different pokes coming out of the kitchen, including one
Some ahi limo,
made with a fish so big, it's gotta have its own theme music. Holy tuna!
This is a big ahi tuna.
Look at this thing.
So what we're gonna do is we're gonna get this pectoral fin over here. We're just gonna cut right there and I give it one hiya.
Hey, it's a hat.
I would take the knife right down the center.
Look at that.
There you go, that's your basic ahi fillet.
Now, what are we gonna do with this?
We're gonna cut it up and make some poke with it, or ahi limu poke.
What does poke translate?
Poke is cut up small cuts.
Small cuts?
Yeah.
Okay, so now we got it chopped up. What is this freaky?
That's our
little thing?
kukui nut.
Some what nut?
Kukui nut. Kukui nut is our Hawaii's state tree. After you roast it, it kind of looks like this, a little burn on the outside.
Okay.
What we're gonna do is we're just gonna, you just put a rag over it, get it back over a cleaver, gonna smash it up, and then you just dig out all the meat inside of it. And that's your kukui nut. You don't eat too much of it. It's kind of like a Hawaiian laxative. Now I tell you, huh?
Awesome!
And we usually give it a little rough chop course.
All right, so we got the crazy nut.
All right, we got our crazy nut. So now we got our ahi cubes in a bowl. We're gonna season it with some Hawaiian sea salt.
Okay.
Then we got our kukui nut, some Hawaiian chili flakes. It's always good to put your dry ingredients first when you mix it, because if you start putting your wet ingredients, the thing will get stuck. So we're gonna give it a couple good mixes up over here. You don't really wanna over mix it.
You don't want to break the fish up.
Nope. We got our Hawaiian chili pepper water.
Okay.
It's just Hawaiian chili peppers, some Hawaiian salt, and water. Sesame oil, and a couple mixes. Green onion. We got some white onion, or limu, or seaweed. So let's give it a fine chop. Put it in our mixing bowl. Give it a couple good mixes again. And there we go. We got our basic ahi limu right there.
I could sit here and eat this by the bucketful. It's tender, it's fresh. All the ingredients go together well. It's so balanced and so delicate and so flavorful. You just get the real deal in this, man. I got a lot of poke on this island as well. That's legit.
Some ahi limu, huh?
You had it other places?
Yeah, but I always come to Reno's, always.
We're fortunate in Hawaii. We got the ocean is in our backyard. Most people ain't got that opportunity.
So he's huge on supporting local fishermen,
He goes to market really early every morning.
but he's not afraid to go get it himself.
We go diving, catch our own octopus, fishing boat.
You catch your own octopus.
Yeah, we catch our own octopus. The squid will kind of be in the hole hiding with his little hand over there.
How is that?
Oh, you gotta give it one of these. Like one.
Like a
there you go.
Straight from the ocean and into the kitchen for this island favorite.
Spicy taco. It's a smoked octopus.
Okay, poke.
One of our most popular pokies is a spicy smoked taco.
Taco, T-A-K-O,
Or
T-A-K-O is tacos.
Octopus. In Hawaii, we call it he'e.
I'm gonna hit you in the head.
Yeah, there you go.
Yeah.
So that's probably about a 4 to 5 pounder right there.
That's that new hairdo I was looking for. Squid locks. So what do you have to clean on it?
First of all, we're just gonna cut the head. So we got the beak right there, so we're just gonna cut his beak.
Okay.
So the next thing we're gonna do is we need to put the octopus in the bowl, and we need to put the Hawaiian salt on top. Then again, we're gonna use the salt to tenderize the squid and take off the slime.
Dude, you're really working this thing out.
So now we'll just put it in this bowl.
I've cooked a lot of squid, and I've seen a lot of squid cooked. I've never seen this process.
You need to, this is the best to do it because it'll come the most tenderest.
Okay.
Okay, my man, so now we're just gonna cut it up.
That.
Okay, so now we're just gonna string them right through.
Just gonna hang them like that, really?
Yeah, this is
Where are we going with this rod of
right into my smoker.
Look, someone's pulling up. I wonder who it is, honey.
All right, so we're gonna go to the smoker?
Yeah, take a rock into the
Let's
smoker.
go. We're walking our octopus.
This is the Diablo 5000.
Come here. We have got some aluminum siding. I think he cut the hole in here with a hatchet. What was this?
This was actually a cabinet.
It was a cabinet, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was a cabinet. In Hawaii, this is how we do it. This is old school style.
As he explains it to me, he walks around with the octopus and keeps smacking me in the legs with it. Hey, like that. Let's smoke some octopus. What kind of wood?
Kiawe wood.
Kiawe wood.
A hard wood. So we only got kiawe or guava wood in Hawaii.
But how long are we gonna smoke this?
4 hours.
4 hours.
Don't ask me what temperature it is. When the paint starts to peel off to a little bit, that's just about ready.
All right.
Smoked octopus.
It's octopus jerky. Tasty. Let's go.
All right,
So now what are we gonna do?
take our squid off,
Okay.
cut it up thin.
Nice and tender. Almost buttery.
Okay, so now we're gonna make our sauce for our smoked taco. In Hawaii, we use a lot of mayonnaise, my man.
No. That's like a hot tub of mayonnaise. Wasabi.
And then we have our kimchi base.
Mm-hmm.
These are my homegrown chili peppers from at my house.
They hot?
They're hot, man. Whisk them up. All right, bro, give it a taste.
Rockstar.
All right, so we got our cut octopus. Dump it in a bowl. We got our spicy sauce right there. Give it a couple good mixes.
Now, people come in and buy this to go, eat it here.
And we make poke bowls, 2 scoops rice and like a hoagie tray. Whatever
Hoagie
poke
tray.
you want.
So this is like hoagie pokey?
Yeah, hoagie pokey. There you do. Little hoagie to the right, a little hoagie to the
A little
left.
hoagie pokey.
So we got a smoked taco in here. Garnish it with a little bit of green onions. And then tobiko, fish eggs. There you go, my man. Good to go. Yeah, there you go.
You got great texture. The octopus is tender. A little bit of smoke. Good heat in the mayonnaise. The tobiko on there's nice. The fresh green onion. That's outstanding.
Taco poke.
This is just delicious.
You can taste the mesquite or the kiawe wood, as we call it out here.
It has a nice little flavor to it that makes it stand out.
I don't know exactly what Reno does, but it's good stuff. It's perfect.
Dude, I'm telling you, this is like poke paradise.
Thank you very much, my man.
You guys are the bomb.